Okay, hey guys. We just had another storm hit. No school today. And the guppies are fine. I added a new one yesterday. The Daniels are coming out. I don't know where they went. There they are. That's one of our males, and that's one of our other males. There's 3 males in here and 2 females. Or other females inside for observation. Just to see if she'll drop any fry for us right now. It's really cold out. Really cold. It's just like frozen. Everything is so cold. Under all that snow, it's ice. All the grass is frozen. Everything's frozen. So, like, even look at these steps. Like, that's a couple inches deep. There's our fishbowl, still alive. I think I'm still going to use that this year in here for the guppies, or I do have some vases and stuff so they can go upside down. Or not upside down, but the guppies can go up into the upside down vases. Which is what we did with our goldfish last year when they were growing out in that. It's so cold. I bought some new fish yesterday. I bought one of the male guppies that is in here, which is an endler, half guppy, I think. Oh, the water's so warm. It's not even that warm, but it's warm compared to this, so, you know. Any of the water that got up here froze. We got some plants in here. This is doing well, unlike I suspected, but I think it's since it's so close to the bottom of the water, or the top of the water, that it keeps it warm enough, even though the leaves are exposed. This Anubias is doing well, and there's a few clusters of that. And then this Pennywort is doing excellent out here. And then here's our little lotus bloom. It, on the other hand, isn't doing so hot. I think once the sun comes out a little bit more, and once I'm able to remove that, it'll be a lot different, and it'll grow a lot faster. The guppies are doing good, though, so I'm glad about that. And I got some new fish yesterday that I'm going to show you in a couple of days, probably, once they get settled in. So, thanks for watching, and yes, you can keep guppies out in the winter with this much snow. Mind you, there is a heater in here, right here. I keep that under the blanket. So, anyways, another video in the next couple of days, and thanks for watching.